Good morning. We will start the morning call. US markets yesterday, all the three markets were down around 0.7, 0.8%. And even Asian markets this morning are down around 1% after the Federal Reserve kept interest rates unchanged yesterday, as was expected. But it also warned that sticky inflation was likely to attract at least one more interest rate hike this year. This did not go well with the global markets. Central bank also said that interest rates will likely fall by a smaller than expected margin next year, 2024. The prospect of higher US rates bodes poorly for Asian markets, given that it tightens monetary conditions and limits foreign capital flows into the region. This trend we have seen has already played out in this calendar year as well, and is likely to continue going into next year as well. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Yes, thank you, Jihan. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a negative note, and we like to remain cautious during the day. From the last few days, Nifty is continuously giving a sign of a correction from 20,200 onwards. Now it has just closed nearby its 19,900, which gives some sort of a cautious sign. This rally is likely to be extended if the Nifty breaks the support of 19,840 levels. Below that level, 19,760, 19,700 levels can be seen on the downside. Whereas on higher side, we are noticing that the 20,000 will act as a crucial psychological resistance level. If it surpasses that level on the closing basis, then only we can witness some sort of a positive momentum which might take a Nifty towards 20,120 levels. So the view is a bit cautious on the Nifty. Continuing the position to stay with the strict stop losses. That would be the recommendation we will be giving. Coming towards the bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, the first resistance is placed at 45,780. Above that level, 46,000 can be seen. But the important support for the bank Nifty is at 45,400 levels. If it's break today that level on the closing basis, then more selling pressure is likely to be seen into the bank Nifty towards 45,200 to 45,100 levels on the downside. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 20,060 is the first support level. Below that level, 19,980 levels can be seen. Whereas on high side, 20,270 and 20,390 are the crucial resistance level. We need to keep eye on it. So the overall view on the three indices will be the cautious, stay alert, try to book your profits on every rise or stay long if you want with the strict stop losses. That's it from my end. I request every team to take call forward.
Yeah, good morning. On the derivatives front, if you look at the overall OI position, it's quite visible that more selling will be witnessed in next 1 to 2 trading session. While on the call writer positions, we are seeing that at 20,000 strike, almost around 19 million positions of call writer has been added in yesterday's session, around 20,000 strike. So there is a negative sign. We expect as per this scenario, the put writer positions are likely to getting shifted on the downside to a 19,700 and 19,500 level, because from last 2 weeks the positions of put writer which was there at 20,000 and 20,100 strike has got liquidated and is shifting on the downside. So the support for the Nifty would be 19,700 mark. In today's session, we are seeing that Nifty is likely to open on the downside around almost 70-80 points. So the support for the Nifty for next 1 to 2 would be 19,700 level. So stay light on the long positions, because as per the future index option position, also we are seeing that on the index future front, 2,000 crore selling has been witnessed in yesterday's session, while on the index option front also we are seeing that the call writer positions have got added aggressively against the put writer positions, while on the FI front also we are seeing that 3,000 crore has been seen in the yesterday's session. So overall data point on the all the derivative front data seems to be on the cautious to negative front. So we expect the market trend likely to remain negative for next 2 to 3 trading session. Till the time Nifty is not going again about 20,000 mark, till that point of time we expect the market range to be around 19,500 to 19,900 mark. So hold a long position with the support of a 19,900 level in today's trading session. If Nifty stays below 19,900 level for next 1 to 2 hours, then longs need to be exited for and short can also be created with the target of 19,700 level. On the stock specific front, we expect the stocks like on the banking front, PNB looks a negative, Tata Steel and HDFC Bank. These three counter looks a negative. Or on the positive front, Glenmark Pharma and Lalpath Lab. These two counter looks positive in today's trading session. So that's it on that front. Thank you.
Fino Payments Bank has received complaints from few clients for non-receipt of funds invested in potential fictitious schemes allegedly floated by some of the employees of the bank itself. The bank has appointed KPMG to conduct a detailed investigation into this incident, and post initial investigation, bank is of the view that there will be no impact on the bank as such, and bank has not suffered any loss. But sentimentally, this news will be negative for Fino Payments Bank. Bharat Dynamics Limited has signed a contract with Indian Air Force for supply of surface-to-air missiles worth 290 crores. This is positive. One IPO will be listing today, EMS Limited. We had given subscribe rating. Price band is 200 to 211. Total issue size is 321 crores, out of which 146 crores is fresh issue and 175 crores is OFS. EMS undertakes all kinds of projects related to water, like sewage systems, wastewater treatment plants, water supply projects, and it is also into construction of roads, buildings, and transmission and distribution infra. Company has grown its revenue and profits at around 20 to 25% over last 2 to 3 years. And looking at the order book, which is 3 times its revenue, we think company can grow at around 20% in future as well. EMS has delivered ROC of 28% in FY23, which is better than that of peers like Vartech Vabag, which is the largest listed player in water. EMS possesses higher growth and return ratios compared to peers like Vartech Vabag, and is also available at cheaper valuations at 11 times FY23. Thus, the listing should happen at a good premium, and we are expecting that listing could happen at around 290 rupees, where the premium will be at almost 40%. Thank you. Yeah, a commodities team can take over.
Yes, thank you, Gian. Good morning, everyone. So in yesterday's session, after the market, Fed had given the commentary, and which led to the rise in dollar index, and we are witnessing a sell-off in commodities, though it will be on a MCX, it will be supported as the INR will be weaken, and for the day we expect some corrections and profit taking. So gold we are expecting 59,000 to 58,800. So one can for a trading sell with a stop loss of 59,550. Silver also prices were resisting 73,500, and with that same stop loss one can initiate a sell for a target of 72,200, 71,700. In crude oil, some profit taking is expected, and prices are expected to test 7,400 to 73,50. So selling on rise is recommended in crude, though from 73,50 one can initiate a buy also for a pullback. Natural gas also we are expecting some consolidations from 220 to 235, so one can trade within this range. In copper, we are expecting prices to test 720 to 720 levels. So selling in copper is recommended, and maintain a stop loss of 731. Zinc also should correct till 222, where one can initiate a buy. So all in all, sell on rise is the call. That's it from me, and I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD and we are expecting some bounce back in the trading session. So if prices comes around 83.15 to 83.17 levels, so one can initiate a long positions with a strict stop loss of 83.05 for the target of 83.25 and 83.35 levels. And on the higher side, one can initiate also a short positions around 83.35 levels with a strict stop loss of 83.43 levels for the target of 83.13 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a long positions in the gap down opening around in the levels of 102.35 levels with a stop loss of 102.13 levels for the target of 102.63 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 88.60 levels with a stop loss of 88.29 for the target of 88.96 levels. Thank you.